are you? So, I'm going to get, where's it gone? The Belkin Rockstar. Here we go. So, okay, no, okay, we'll press that one first. Belkin Rockstar Splitter. $16.99. Buy now. Buy now. Quantity 1. Check out. Check out. With a credit card. Credit card. Oh, I'm losing confidence in this now. Credit card.
I don't think it's calibrated very well, is it?
Please swipe with the magnetic strip facing left.
It's exciting. That work? Ah.
Oh.
Enter your zip code.
Enter your zip code.
Oh, wait a minute. International card. That threw us then, didn't it?
Email your receipt. Okay. So it's CAAD.me.com. Retrieving item.
Exciting. Here we go.
Thanks, Jarvis.
Oh, what's it doing? It's saying I've got to fill in a survey. Hang on though. It's not having anything, is it? Oh, here we go. Oh, should we cancel that?
Hang on. No, maybe it's asking for me. For pleasure.
Well, that's the first question we don't like very much, isn't it?
No, it's not very inclusive. My age is.
I guess it was younger than me.
Next. 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 Next.
Oh my word. Anything I've forgotten? There's nothing I've forgotten, have we?
There you go, it's come.
What's
my ethnicity? Oh my goodness me. White. It's dollars, I don't know dollars.
I'll just say that.
Okay. Who are we shopping for? Me, I'm a selfish bitch. Oh my god. No, this is too long.
I'm not going to let you know, just say none. Let's put none for now. Oh, that's got to be that one at least.
It must be. What can we do to improve our shopping
screen
experience?
navigation.
Everything.
Let's see, doing it again. Oh my god, it's got an issue. Oh, it's done it now. Oh, optional. Well,
No.
we're not doing that. If it's optional, we're not bothering.
Oh my god, no.
No thanks.
Cancel survey, cancel.
Oh my word. Right, now I'm going to try and change something. Did it ask for a PIN number, by the way?
They don't do chip and pin in the States.
Really?
Mm-hmm. You just swipe. No, you just swipe.
Alright, okay. I was doing it then now. Come on. Why is it so bad? It's not letting me hit speakers. Oh, okay. Which is...
Is that one there?
Yeah, that's the one. Oh, word. This is really fun. It's like doing self-service in the Sainsbury's, isn't it? Check out. It will be that. Oh, what? Oh, Frustrating or what? That way round again. I'm getting ready to international card. I need to calibrate the screen better, don't I? Crikey, nearly there. Pulling teeth. been quicker to travel to the Mall of America. That's cool. Oh, hang on.
You done yet?
Oh, I've got to do back one. Hang on. I didn't see the Gmail.com thing. Submit email. Retrieving your item. Go, go, go. It worked. Oh, it's so cute as well. Pick up here. Voila. There we go.
There we go.